the MaxTrac suspension booth at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've got Bob. He's the man over here at MaxTrac suspension, and you've got some new stuff for these big nasty Dodges. Is that accurate?
That's accurate. That's very accurate. We, there's been kits out for the Dodges, and we wanted to do something different. So we came up with our patented 4-link forged aluminum 6082 T6 aluminum suspension kit. Everybody else has, they have steel arms and intertubular steel arms, and it looks good and everything, but we wanted something special. So we went to the forged aluminum arms on ours, and it seems to be hitting a home run for everybody.
Now, how much weight does that save?
It really, the funny thing is it doesn't really save any weight. Being that's aluminum, but it's a big aluminum, so it's not something that's real small. Also, the link arms on these are fully adjustable on the fly. Now everybody else, they have link arms on theirs, and you have to take them down, you got to spin the knob, you got to put them back in and check your alignment. What we do in ours is it's fully adjustable. That means you don't have to pull them down, they'll adjust right on the fly, and it makes it much easier to install, much easier to align.
What's the benefit of switching to aluminum versus steel?
Well, basically we wanted to do aluminum just for the appearance, really, to tell you the truth. It looks big, it looks massive, it looks beefy. That's what we wanted to get when we were doing this.
And is this a bolt-in product?
This kit, the amazing thing about this kit is the whole kit is completely bolt-in. You don't have to drill a hole, you don't have to cut anything off, you don't have to grind, nothing. There is no other kit out there on the market for these Dodges that you actually don't have to cut or drill or anything else on. Ours is the only one out there.
Tell me what's included in the kit.
Well, this kit is actually really unique because, again, we're doing our forged aluminum 4-link. But if you don't have the money or to spend for the forged aluminum 4-link, we do make a base model kit also. So the kit comes either 4-inch or 6-inch increments, okay? And it'll either come with the 4-link upgrade, or you can do radius arm drops. So it's going to use the factory radius arms, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to drop off the frame, no cutting, no welding, no drilling. It's going to be just a basic bolt-on kit. Other things that come with this kit we have is the best coil springs I can believe that I know of. We do a linear rate spring. It rides smooth through the whole suspension travel. Along with that, you're going to get your again, brake line extensions, you're going to get your sway bar links, you're going to get everything you need to put this kit on complete, and that covers the front. The back, if it's a 3500, it's going to come with blocks, U-bolts, and shocks in the back. If it's a 2500, which is a rear coil spring model, it's going to come with coil spring spacers, shocks, track bar brackets, sway bar links, and everything else you're going to need to put that kit on, and it's going to be complete.
And what are the price points between the two different kits?
They vary, and we have a base kit, and it starts out about $1,100, which is a very price-conscious kit. Not too many people can say they have a kit that's a complete kit like this that are $1,100, and then it goes up from there. If you want to do with Fox shocks, you're going to look at about $1,600, or if you want to go into the aluminum 4-link, you're going to look at about $2,900 with Fox shocks, about $2,500 with the MaxTrac shocks.
Are you guys on social media?
Yes, we are. You can look it up under MaxTrac Suspension on both Instagram and Facebook.
Bob, thanks so much for taking us through the Dodge. I really appreciate it. Good stuff. MaxTracSuspension.com. That's where you can find all of your suspension needs. And stay tuned. We got more videos coming up.